Hi all, in this video we will demonstrate how a heat engine is working. So we will demonstrate what are the parts of a heat engine. So this is a simple Stirling engine. So we have parts, energy source, we have a piston, flywheel and feedback. So energy source will give the energy, heat energy. The heat energy will give here, and this will push the air. The air will push the piston this direction, and this will actually rotate the flywheel. A flywheel, why you are using flywheel? A flywheel is have a high moment of inertia. So if you start rotating, we can maintain the rotation, and this rotation, some of this rotation energy will give to by a feedback, and this same rotation you can reach here this feedback, and this again we have a system. Some of these rotations will give the piston backward. So there is a second piston. This piston will be pushed back here. So this will push the air in this tube, and this air pressure will come here, and this piston will be pulled in this direction. So the heat energy will push the piston to this direction, and the feedback will move in this direction. So this will create a cycle, and this cycle will be self-sustainable. So this will rotate as long as we are giving the heat energy. So this we can see in the next video how it will work. So we are giving a heat energy to the system, and we see let's see what will happen. So if you are try to rotate this one, there is not much rotational energy is attainable from the piston. So we are waiting for some time. So the energy is accumulating here. So after some time, this will start rotating. So from this direction, it will rotate. A feedback loop will come here, and it will rotate here. So if you want to stop here, we can actually stop it, and that much energy is there, it will actually rotate again. So thank you for watching this video.